Men over 60 don't always talk about it, but they feel it every day. Erections aren't as strong. Stamina isn't the same. The penis just doesn't respond the way it used to. And deep down, there's a quiet fear. Is this the beginning of the end for my intimacy and confidence? Here's the truth. Changes in men's health after 60 are real, but they don't have to be permanent. In fact, what if I told you there's a natural way to support stronger erections, better blood flow, improved prostate comfort, and even renewed energy without pills or risky procedures? Yes, the same oil you may have heard about from old remedies, now backed by surprising science for men's vitality. And in the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how it can help your erections, circulation, and overall performance, starting tonight. Let's be honest. There are changes that happen after 60 most men never mention, not even to their closest friends. Erections that aren't as strong. The penis takes longer to respond. Prostate discomfort that makes sitting for long periods uneasy. Waking up 2, 3 times a night to urinate. Stamina fading faster during intimacy or even daily activities. Dry skin, stiff joints, muscle aches that weren't there before. If you've been feeling these shifts, you're not alone. I've been a urologist for over 3 decades, and I've seen thousands of men walk into my office with the same concerns. Heads down, voices low, thinking they're the only ones. You're not. These are natural signs of aging, but they don't have to be the final chapter of your story. The good news? Many of my patients have found simple, natural ways to bring back comfort, confidence, and better performance, without pills or risky procedures. And here's where it gets interesting. One of the most overlooked tools for men's health after 60 is something you can start using tonight. It's called castor oil, and the science behind it might surprise you. So, what exactly is castor oil, and why would a urologist be talking about it? Castor oil comes from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. It's thick, golden, and has been used for centuries in different cultures, not just for skin or hair, but for deep internal wellness. The secret lies in something called ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory and circulation-boosting effects. Now, I'm not talking about swallowing spoonfuls like your grandparents might have done. We've come a long way since then. Today, we understand how topical use, meaning applied directly to the skin, can support blood flow, soothe tissues, and even encourage relaxation in key areas of the body. Think of it as giving your body a gentle nudge to heal and perform the way it's designed to. And for men over 60, that can mean better circulation to the penis, more comfort in the prostate area, and a feeling of lightness you may not have felt in years. But the real magic is how it works specifically for men's intimacy and vitality. And that's what we'll get into next. When most men hear castor oil, they don't think about intimacy, stronger erections, or feeling younger in their own skin. But here's the reality. When your blood flows better, your body responds better. And that's exactly where castor oil shines. First, circulation. Erections depend on healthy blood flow to the penis. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil, when massaged into certain areas, may help widen tiny blood vessels and improve nutrient delivery. More oxygen, more responsiveness. Second, prostate comfort. Gentle castor oil packs placed over the lower abdomen can help calm inflammation signals, making sitting, intimacy, and even bladder control feel easier. Third, hormonal support. Healthy circulation and reduced stress on your body can help your glands work more efficiently, which is essential for testosterone balance. And don't forget the relaxation factor. Castor oil routines often become calming rituals, lowering stress hormones that interfere with sexual function. I know what you might be thinking. If castor oil is so effective, why haven't I heard my doctor talk about it? The truth is, many natural remedies don't get the spotlight because they can't be patented or sold at high profit. But research is there, and it's fascinating. Studies have shown that ricinoleic acid, the main component of castor oil, has anti-inflammatory properties and may help promote microcirculation, That's the tiny blood flow your tissues depend on. It's also been linked to improved lymphatic drainage, which helps reduce swelling and supports detoxification. Now, a few safety notes. Always choose cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. Quality matters. Use it topically unless advised otherwise by a qualified healthcare provider. Do a patch test first on a small area of skin to check for any reaction. Remember, castor oil isn't a magic bullet, but when paired with good hydration, regular movement, and nutrient-rich food, it can be a powerful ally in restoring confidence and vitality. Next, I'll walk you step by step through exactly how to use castor oil for erections, prostate comfort, and all-around men's wellness. Let's get practical. If you want real results, it's not just about knowing that castor oil works, it's about knowing exactly how to use it for your needs. For circulation and stronger erections, warm a teaspoon of castor oil in your hands, gently massage it over your lower abdomen, inner thighs, and pelvic area for 5 to 10 minutes before bed, 3 to 4 nights a week. This helps stimulate blood flow to the penis while you sleep. For prostate comfort,
Venga, eche la
make a
gota.
warm castor oil pack, soak a soft
Venga,
cloth
frótate la mano ya.
place it over your lower abdomen, cover with plastic wrap, then apply a warm heating pad for 30 to 45 minutes. Do this while
Corto
relaxing,
ya.
reading, or watching TV. For joint and muscle relief, rub a small amount directly into knees, hips, or shoulders. The key is consistency. Many men notice changes within 2 to 3 weeks. Lighter pelvic pressure, fewer night bathroom trips, and more confidence during intimacy. Now, some men think this all sounds too simple to work. But here's why that thinking could be holding you back. I get it. You might be thinking, castor oil? Really? That's it? It sounds almost too simple. And in a world full of high-tech treatments and expensive supplements, we've been conditioned to believe only complicated solutions work. But here's the thing. Some of the most powerful changes for men's health come from simple, consistent habits. Walking every day, drinking enough water, getting quality sleep, none of those cost much, yet they can transform your energy, erections, and overall vitality. Castor oil works in a similar way. It's not a miracle overnight fix. It's a tool that supports your body's natural ability to heal, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation. And when you give your body that gentle nudge regularly, results build over time. The men who benefit most aren't the ones who try it once and forget it. They're the ones who commit for a few weeks and notice subtle changes becoming lasting improvements. And if you're ready for a final push of motivation, let's close with a message I give every man over 60 who wants to reclaim his health, confidence, and intimacy. Here's what I want you to remember. Yes, your body changes after 60. Erections may not be as effortless, recovery takes longer, and your prostate may need more care than before. But decline is not your destiny. I've seen men in their late 60s, even 70s, restore confidence in the bedroom, sleep better, and move through life with more energy. Not by chasing risky shortcuts, but by giving their body the right kind of support. Castor oil isn't a magic cure, but it can be a powerful ally. It works with your body, not against it. And the best part? You don't need a prescription, a fancy device, or a fortune to start. So here's my challenge to you. Commit to 3 weeks. Apply it regularly. Notice how your nights, your energy, and yes, your erections start to change. Your body still remembers how to heal. Sometimes it just needs a little reminder, and maybe this simple golden oil could be that reminder for you.